How to make ramen. Making homemade ramen is a delicious and comforting meal that's easier than you might think. Here's a basic recipe for making homemade ramen soup. Ingredients: for the broth, 4 cups, 1 liter, chicken or vegetable broth, 2 cups, 475 milliliters, water, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled and sliced, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon miso paste, optional, 1 tablespoon mirin, Japanese sweet rice wine, or rice vinegar, salt and pepper to taste for the noodles and toppings. 2 packs of instant ramen noodles or fresh ramen noodles, sliced cooked chicken, pork, tofu, or boiled eggs, optional, sliced green onions, sliced mushrooms, sliced bamboo shoots, menma, nori, dried seaweed sheets, torn into pieces, sesame seeds, chili oil or sriracha, optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the broth. In a large pot, combine the chicken or vegetable broth, water, minced garlic, sliced ginger, soy sauce, miso paste, if using, and mirin or rice vinegar. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat. 2. Simmer the broth. Reduce the heat to low and let the broth simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the flavors to develop. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. 3. Cook the noodles. While the broth is simmering, cook the ramen noodles according to the package instructions. If using instant ramen noodles, discard the seasoning packets and cook the noodles in boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes until tender. If using fresh ramen noodles, cook them according to the package instructions. 4. Prepare toppings. While the noodles are cooking, prepare your choice of toppings. You can slice cooked chicken, pork, tofu, or boiled eggs. Also, prepare sliced green onions, mushrooms, bamboo shoots, menma, nori, sesame seeds, and any other toppings you like. 5. Assemble the ramen bowls. Once the noodles are cooked, divide them among serving bowls. Ladle the hot broth over the noodles, making sure to distribute the garlic, ginger, and other aromatics evenly. 6. Add toppings. Arrange your choice of toppings on top of the noodles and broth. Be creative and use whatever toppings you like to customize your ramen bowls. 7. Serve hot. Serve the homemade ramen immediately, garnished with additional sliced green onions, sesame seeds, nori, and a drizzle of chili oil or sriracha for extra flavor if desired. Enjoy your homemade ramen soup while it's hot and comforting. Feel free to customize the recipe with your favorite toppings and adjust the seasoning to suit your taste preferences. Once you get the hang of making homemade ramen, you can experiment with different broths, noodles, and toppings to create your own unique variations.